Hello there, and it's Jock here in Scotland, and how you doing? It's a better late nicht than nicht. I thought I'd put the licht on the nicht because I can hardly see, it's so dark. Well, a lot of folk have been asking for an old Scots song, and they want the words for it, so that's what I'm here for, to give you the words. Scots Wha Hae wi' Wallace bled, Scots whom Bruce has often led, welcome to your gory bed, or to victorie. Now's the day and now's the hour, see the front o' battle hour, see approach proud Edward's power, chains and slaverie. Wha would be a traitor-knave, wha can fill a coward's grave, wha sae base as be a slave, let him turn and file. Wha for Scotland's king and law, freedom's sword will strongly draw, free man stand or free man fall, let him follow me. By oppression's woes and pains, be your sons in servile chains, we will drain our dearest veins, but they shall be free. Lay the proud usurpers low, tyrants fall in every foe, liberty's in every blow, let us do or die. Scots Wha Hae wi' Wallace bled, Scots whom Bruce has often led, welcome to your gory bed, or to victorie. Aye, there you go now. Now you know how it goes, you'll be able to sing it yourself, and I'll write down the lyrics for you. I'll say toodaloo the new.